To use the call transfer, the phone's call transfer feature allows you to transfer calls to another party in 3 different ways: a blind transfer, a semi-attended transfer, and an attended transfer. To use the blind transfer to directly transfer a call to another party, while talking, press the transfer key or transfer soft key. Input the target number that you're sending the call to and press transfer or the transfer soft key to complete the transfer. To use the semi-attended transfer to transfer a call when the target phone is ringing, while talking, press the transfer key or transfer soft key and enter the target number you want to transfer the call to. Then, press the OK key. After hearing the ring-back tone, hang up the handset to complete the transfer. To use the attended transfer to transfer a call with prior consulting, while talking, press transfer soft key and enter the target number to which you'd like to transfer the call. Then, press OK to dial out. After the other user answers the call, press the transfer soft key to complete the transfer.